Okay, now we will discuss about the average concept. What is average? Average is nothing but in simple term, average is sum of all the numbers by number of terms. So now today we will discuss about one unique concept, that is when the numbers are in AP, we can directly find out the average like middle term. Average is what? Middle term. When the terms are in AP, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these terms are in AP, then average is what? Middle term. 3 is the average. No need to calculate the summation and divide that with number of terms. No need. Directly you can tell the middle term is the average term. Suppose there is no chance to find the middle term. Directly you can calculate first plus last by 2. Suppose here first is what? 1, last is what? 5. First plus last by 2 what? 3. Okay, third term is a average term. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, like this. Okay, G. My numbers are there. What is the average? Average of all these numbers. All these numbers are in AP. Then what is the average of all these numbers? First term is what? 1. Last term is what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So what is the average? How many numbers? 7 numbers. 7 plus 1 by 2. That is what? Fourth number is average term. So D is the average. Middle term. Okay. How to know the middle term? Suppose like these numbers are there. This is 40th number. This is 79 number. How to know the middle number? First plus last by 2 is the middle number. 40 plus 79 by 2 is a middle number. So middle number is a average term. So this is first term plus last term by 2 is a average term. Suppose number 636, first term number, like this 1 or 2. This is last term. Then what is the average? Suppose all these numbers are in AP. First plus last by 2. That is average term. Okay. Right. Suppose next. Suppose there are 21 terms are there. Like this. 21 terms are there. How many terms? 21 terms. Not the actual numbers. 21 terms. What is the average? Average is what? How many terms? Total 21 terms. What is the average? 21 plus 1 by 2. 22 by 2 means 11. 11th term is the average term. In between, one 11th term is there. That is the average. 11th term is the average. So 11th term is what? Average. And largest number is what? Suppose I want to know here 21 terms are there. I want to know the 21st term. 21st term is what? 21st is nothing but largest term here. 21. 21st you have to know. Already you know the 11th. Some number is there. Average. So 11th term plus what is the gap between 21 to 11? 10. Okay, 10 into how much? Suppose if the numbers are in AP, their common difference is one number is there. That is D. Okay, 10 plus 10 into D. Okay, means what? 21 minus 10 into D. Right. Smallest is what? What? 21 minus is there. Suppose find the average of first 100 natural numbers. And natural numbers are like this 100. What is the average? First plus last by 2? What? 10 point. Sorry, 50.5. Next, average of first 50 even numbers. What is the first even number? 2. What is the 50th even number is what? 98. First plus last by 2 what? 100. First plus last by 2 what? 1 or 2 by 2. 51 is a average. Otherwise, if you know the first two number, next what? Even numbers is what? 2 bracket. Like this, 50. So, okay, you know average of this. 1 plus 50 by 2. 51 by 2. Here 2 is there anyhow. So 51. Right? Over. Next one. Here find the average of first 20 numbers which are multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means what? 3 into 1, 3 into something. Multiple of 3 means what? 3 into 1, 3 into 2, like this, like this. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12, like this. How many numbers are like this? 20 numbers. You have to know the average. Okay, 20 plus 1 by 2. What? 10.5. 10.5. 10.5. That number is a average term. 10.5th term is a average. You have to know this number. Right? Right. Each number is multiplied by 3. So here also 10.5 into 3. How much? 31.5. That is average. Here, suppose there are 31 numbers are there, A, B, common difference is 3, average is 100. 31 terms are there, average is 100. So 31 terms are there means what? 16th term is what? 100. You have to find the largest number. Largest is what? Largest is how much? 31st number you have to know. 31st is what? How much difference? 16, 31, 15. 15 terms are there. 15 gaps are there. So each gap is what? 3. 15 gaps means what? 15 into 3, 45. So 45 is 45 is a gap. Here number is 100. So 45. 100 plus 45, 145 is a 31st term. See here once again. Suppose 1, 4, 7, 10, 30. These are the numbers. Okay. Suppose already given the exam given, this is a average, right? What is the average? This is the average. Suppose this is the average. If you want to know the largest number 19, how you can calculate? This is what fourth number. This is what seventh number. From this number to this number, how many gaps are there? 7 minus 4. 3 gaps are there. Each gap is how much? Common difference. So 3 gaps into common difference is 9. This much is greater than this number. Okay. Like this, I have calculated this one. Suppose here 31 numbers. So average term is what? 16th term. That is what? 100. Now largest number I need means 31st. So initial number 100 plus 31 minus 16 what? 25. Right? Into what? Common difference is 3. Right? Here not 25. How much difference is what? 15 only. Right? So how much? 175. Smallest is what? 100 minus first term. Okay, 16th term you know. 16th minus first difference 15. 15 into 3, 45. 100 minus 45, 85. Smallest, largest. Okay, completed. Next, this one, this question. Yeah, there are 50 consecutive even numbers. Their average is 181. Okay, 50 numbers are there. Average is what? 51 by 2. That is what? How much? 181. 51 by 2 what? How much? 25 point. Fifth term is 181. Now I have to calculate the 50th term. 50th term. How much gap? 24.5. Each two numbers difference is what constitute even number. Even number means 2 2. So how much? 49. Okay, difference is 49. So big number is what? 181 plus 49. Right? Smallest number means you have to calculate first term. First term means what? How much difference? 24.5. So each term difference 2. So 49. 181 minus 49 is smallest number. Okay, like this. Now done this question. Next, see here how many. There are 19 consecutive numbers which are giving remainder 2 divided by 6. The number is divided by 6. Suppose 6 is divided by 6, but here he has given remainder 2. So 8. So like this 8, 14, 20, like these numbers are divided by 6 and giving remainder 2. So each common difference is what? 6. Here given divided by 6 means what? Common difference is 6. Okay. Inbuilt, we have to infer the information like this. Okay, so we got common difference is what? 6. So how many numbers? 19. So what is the average term? 19 plus 1 by 2. What? 10th term is the average term. 10th term. That is what? 122. Now to know the largest number. Largest number is what? 19th term. 19. So how many difference? 9. 9 into what is the common difference? 6. Okay, 54. So largest is what? 122 plus 54, 6. 176 is the largest number. Okay, that was completed. Next, average of 6 numbers which are in AP, 13. Okay, 6 numbers. Average is what? 13. So what? 6 plus 1 by 2, 3.5. What? 13. 6 plus 1 by 2, 7 by 2 is 3.5, 13. The next 6 numbers are included, then the average of total 12 numbers is next 12 numbers are also if included. Next 6 numbers included. So what? Then how many numbers? 12 numbers. 12 numbers, 12 plus 1 by 2, what? 6 plus 5. You have to calculate the 6 plus 5. 3.5 is 13. 6.5 is how much? Here how much gap? 3. Okay. Each 3 gap. Each gap is how much? Here not given. So take 1. Natural numbers like 3. So how much? 13 plus 3 what? 16. Next, there are 20 terms which are in AP. Common difference is 4. 21, 21 means average term is 21 by 2 means 10 point. Fifth term is average. That is not given. Right. Next 9 terms whose average is 48 is included. Suppose here, see here already 20 terms are there. Okay, right. From 21st term to 30 terms. Right. 29. 21st to 29. These terms. He has given the, this average 21st to 29. This average he has given 48. Means what? 21st plus 29 by 2 is how much? What? 50 by 2. 25th term he has given. You have to calculate the average of first this one. 1 plus 20 by 2, 10.5 term you have to calculate. 25th he has given 48. 10.5th term you have to calculate. How much is the gap? Gap is how much? 14.5, right? 14.5. Common difference is what? 4. So how much total? 58. 58 less. 48 minus 58 is how much? Minus 10. So average is what? Minus 10. First 20 numbers average is minus 10. Right? No problem. Minus also will come. 25, 48, 10 point. Fifth term is what? 11.5 is the right. 11.5 into 4. Okay, 58. 48 minus, right? Like this, you will get minus 10. Next, see here, next question. There are 25 terms which are common difference 6, then average is 300. Find the average of next 9. Here, how many terms? 25 terms are there first initially. Average is what? 300. Find the average of next 19 numbers. Next 19 numbers. Okay, 25 numbers are already here. Okay, this is 26th term. 19 means what? 44th term. This one. Okay, here he is asking the average of these numbers. Means what? 26th term plus 44th term by 2. 26 plus 44 by 2, how much? 35th term he is asking. Okay, 35th term he is asking. But here he has given 13th term he has given. Why? Because average is given. 26 terms is what? 13th term he has given 300. 13th, 13th given 300. You have to calculate 35th number. Gap is how much? 22. 22 into common difference is 6 plus how much? 300. So 120, 132 plus 300, 432. Okay, like these problems are repeated many times, so we will conclude like we will give one formula like this. Already 25 numbers are there, some numbers are there, their average is 300, and if you want the next numbers average, here previous average is given 30, 300. Let us consider that is a plus next numbers average is how much? Means what? Previous how many numbers? M numbers are there. Next we have to calculate n numbers, so m plus n by 2 into common difference d. This is a formula. Suppose these questions are nowadays repeated in CCL, so I have given one formula. A plus previous old average plus m plus n by 2 into d. This is the formula, right? See here, same here. This is also like previous only. Already m terms are there. Average is A, common difference is D. Next numbers n terms are there. These numbers average is how much? So how you will calculate? A plus m plus n by 2 into D. Okay. Next same here. Next, suppose previous n terms are there. Like here m terms are there. Previous m terms are there. You have to calculate these numbers average. How much? A minus m plus n by 2 into d. Same minus will come. Next, find the average of all the numbers when divided by 6. Remainder is 3 between 100 to 200. Here, divided by 6. Remainder is 3. How much? Which number will divide? Okay. Okay. 102. Which number will divided by 6? Okay. 102 divided by 6, right? Right. 102. From here, like this, remainder is 3. Okay, okay. Divided by 6 and remainder is 3 means what? 105. Right? It will go 1. Like this it will go. Next again, which number will divide 200 by 6? How much? 20, 208. But less than, which number will divide? Suppose 199 is there. 198 divided by 6. It will divide. But you have to get remainder 3. So 195 is the largest number. So average is what? First plus last by 2. 105 plus 195, 300. 300 by 2. It's 150 is a average. Okay. Right. Next. Next. Find the average of all four digit numbers divisible by 9. All four digit numbers divisible by 9. Four digit numbers is how, what are that? Suppose take 0, 0, 0, 1. This will divide by 9? No. Okay. 7? No. This one? Yes. This will divide. Next. From here, we will do like this. Okay. This is the four digit number. Next one is what? 70. Okay. Next one is what? 26. Like this. Numbers are divisible by 9. Largest number is what? 4 digit. This one. So average is what? First plus last by 2. This is the average. First is 1008, last is 9999 divided by 2. That is average. Right. Okay. Here we have seen what we have seen. And the numbers are in EAP. Middle term is average term. First plus last by 2. That is the average. Suppose 21 numbers are there. What is the average? 11th term means 21 plus 1 by 2. 11th term is the average term. Largest number is how much? 11th. This is the average term. Plus we have to go right side. So how many numbers? 21 are there. So here we know the 11th term. So difference is 10. The common difference is D. So I have multiplied. These many gaps are there. So I have multiplied with D. Yes, suppose if you want to find the smallest number, subtract. See here. This will be completed. We will see next topics.